Black holes are formed in two different ways. The first one is the death of a star. Dying stars eventually explode, shooting hydrogen and other elements thousands of light years into space. The bigger the star, the bigger the black hole that is formed as a result of the explosion. The second way is galaxies colliding into each other. Larger galaxies swallow up the smaller ones, which then creates an even more massive black hole. What exactly does a black hole do? Black holes do not suck objects into them. Objects are pulled around the black hole its orbits. The closer an object gets towards the event horizon, which is the place of no return, the faster the object rotates around the black hole. What are some known facts and characteristics of black holes? Many black holes are 100 to 400 million times more massive than the Sun. Our own galaxy has a black hole about 400 million times more massive than the Sun. Black holes are also very powerful. The black hole warps and bends space and time. The escape speed of a black hole, which is how fast an object needs to travel to escape the black hole's gravitational force, is faster than the speed of light. What are some unexplained facets of black holes? All of eternity slows down inside a black hole. For example, time and sound waves slow down drastically. On Earth, a person can be witnessed falling into a black hole and eventually reaching the event horizon, at which point the person will literally stop and go no further. A person at the event horizon of a black hole will see people back on Earth getting older rapidly. Time has literally stopped at this location, while on Earth is still experiencing the passage of time. Here are two video clips on black holes. The first one is Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson discussing what happens to you physically when you fall into a black hole.
There's this funny stuff happening all the time. Like if you're going to fall into a black hole, that's funny. That's just, because so you don't have to tell a joke. It's just funny. So as you fall in, the gravity at your feet rapidly becomes greater than the gravity at your head. And that's not a good situation to be in, because your feet start accelerating towards the black hole faster than your head does. Now, that's okay initially, because then you're just kind of a stretch, Who doesn't like a good stretch in the morning? But then you realize that this stretch is not just a temporary condition. It's not only permanent, it's increasing. And you reach a point where the stretching force of gravity exceeds the molecular bonds of your flesh. Eventually, you will snap into two pieces, likely at your lower spine. The very fabric of space and time narrows as it approaches the singularity that is the black hole. So the fabric of space that's wide outside becomes narrower and narrower. So not only are you stretched head to toe, you are squeezed shoulder to shoulder. You are effectively extruded through the fabric of space like toothpaste through a tube.
The second one is a video representation of the journey into a Schwarzschild black hole.